Hello everybody, this is night 10, which is actually shot on the morning of day 11 because I can't tell you what happened on a particular video until it's actually happened. We're at Woods Lake Campground. It's a Forest Service campground and it's located about 20 miles northwest of Telluride. And let me show you around the site real quickly here. So there's our tent, picnic table, our car, Subaru. Down there's just the access road. And through those trees is the vault. Right now they're using porta potties here right now. Below here, you see the fire rig. Anybody can guess what this thing is for? I'll tell you what, it mystified me the first time I saw it. Took me a little while to figure it. I thought it was, well, maybe it's a place to hang your food so the bears don't get it. Well, you know, here's the slight problem. Alright, that's the top of it. About as tall as I am. Fortunately, bears get about this tall when they stand on their hind legs. So that wouldn't work. But finally I figured it out. A hook to hang your lantern or light on at the campground. Kind of a little bit dated since now we all carry those little handy dandy LED lights, which are really nice. So let me give you a quick synopsis of the evening's activities. Where we left off in the day video, we were in Ridgeway. The plan was to go to Ridgeway Park and camp there. However, the campground was full. So it was like, okay, where are we going to go? It's Saturday night, it's going to be really busy. The plan was that we would drive west and towards this particular campground, which is Woods Lake, with the full expectation that it would be full and that we'd have to boondock, which means camp in the woods with no facilities provided by anybody else. Well, we got up here, it was relatively full, but there were about 1/4 of the sites were still available. So we picked this one. And to summarize the evening and night's activities, it rained. Like pretty much consistently all night long, and a heavy rain at that, quite a bit. If you see, there's that blue tarp above our tent. I've been carrying that around for like 3 trips and never have used it. Well, down on the plains you can't, because on the plains the wind is so strong it would just rip it apart. Plus there's no trees to tie to. Here, I have not that problem. And here's the thing. As you're looking at this video, the rain falls on the tarp and it flows from right to left and then off the tarp, and your tent itself doesn't get wet. Now the tent is waterproof, but if you could keep it dry, that makes it a lot easier to pack it up in the morning, and it also helps to keep from any like transfer moisture into the tent. And the other nice thing, see the chairs? We get a patio covered, protected from the rain. So that's where we ate dinner. Oh, by the way, you're wondering where I cooked dinner? See the back of the Subaru? See how the hatch is up? That's my rain cover. I have a 2-burner, also known as a Filipino stove, sitting on the floor of the Subaru, and I cooked right there, protected from the rain. Oh, and you wondering what we had for dinner? We ate well last night. We had steak and rice pilaf. All of it I cooked right here. Anyway, I think we're going to wrap it up there because we just now the sun is out and well, time to eat breakfast, which I'm set up to cook for. We're going to have tea and hot rice from last night and hot chocolate. And we're going to pack up and go. And for our next day of our Colorado Alpine experience. Have a great day. It's the new son. And Evelyn, who's back in the tent organizing. Bye for now.